Hi, lovely people. How are you? So if you read from my title, I'm going to be unboxing the April 2019 Allure Beauty Box. Let me know down in the comments how your day is going or did go, because when I'm filming this is like after 8 o'clock at night my time. But if you notice my backdrop, so I used to have a nice, colorful, like really pretty backdrop, and this is like black marble, and it's because if you have been watching my channel, I've been having a lot of focusing problems, and I don't do my videos on a camera. I do it on a separate webcam. So I think I got like the in and out kind of fix with the settings, but it was still, I was having focusing problems. So I'm wondering, was it because of all the colors that my backdrop was? So I just bought this just to see if that's the reason. So I am pre-filming, so there will be a couple of videos that you will see with this backdrop, and if I noticed if the all that in and out and focusing problem has stopped, then I know it was because of the background, and then we'll get something different than this dark color one, but maybe like more of just like a couple colors instead of like 6 colors. So let me know down in the comment section, and are you seeing focusing problems? All right, anyway, and I didn't realize when I picked black, my hair is black, so I don't even know if you're going to be able to see my hair, but just bear with me for the next few videos. It's just a little test that I'm doing. All right, so I am really, really excited about this puppy right here because Carli Bybel has curated with this, and she is from New Jersey, and I am from New Jersey, so I am so excited to unbox this. I will leave her channel link down below if you don't know who she is and if you want to check her out. All right, so let's get started. This is $15 a month, and you do pay for tax depending on what state that you live in. All right, so when you open it up, it looks like this, and there's the beautiful Carli. She is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, and then, ooh, this wasn't concealed shut. So then we have a bag. Now they started these bags a few months ago. I think we got like a red one, a black one, a white one. This one is clear. And I don't know how I feel about these bags. I know a lot of people were having issues because they were torn. Mine has never came torn, but I haven't used these yet. I wish they kind of just left it in the box, you know? I don't know. All right, so then what is this? What you be? We're going to, oh, you can scratch here to see, I guess, what next month's theme is. Also, before I forget, stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to tell you what I'm wearing on my face, and I'm excited about this new eyeshadow palette that I try. So make sure you stay to the end. All right, so here we go. With these pamphlets, it always tells you what everything is and does give you prices, which I like. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is this Natasha Denona eyeshadow. Now, I know there were 3 different colors you can get that are from the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. And I got the shade Bronze Age right there. Let's see if you guys can see. Not sure because of with this background that I have. It might be a little bit too dark. All right, so let's see. All right, so this is $27 for one shade. Holy moly. All right, so this is how the packaging comes, just like that. And this is the color. So it's a bronze shade. Now, I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to put this in a future giveaway because I have the Sunset palette right here. This is $129, and I'm going to swatch the color that I got from the palettes. And that way you guys can try eyeshadow if you haven't. So right there, you'll see that Bronze Age shade right there. So let's swatch it. This is what the palette looks like in case you don't know. It's a little dirty, but with these palettes, they tend to get dirty. The colors are really pretty. I just don't know if I would pay $129 for this palette. All right, so that's what she looks like. Very pretty. And let's see, that's what it looks like swatched. So it is very, very pretty. Okay. So I'm going to put this back in here and put it down in my, because I already started a new giveaway. So we're going to have in another week or so my 30,000 giveaways coming up, but this will be in a separate giveaway because I already started. Let me put it in the thing, a new giveaway. All right. So the next thing we got is from Baroggio. This is Farewell Frizz. Now I haven't tried these. We've gotten a lot of the subscription boxes, the sprays, but I haven't tried this one. So that's good. This is Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant cream. So I'm definitely excited to try this. I do like this brand. All right, so let's see what it says. All right, so full size would be $24, and it just says you get hit with the Heat Protectant Cream's pretty floral fragrance right out of the tube, and the scent lingers for hours after you blow dry. But that's not the only reason I love this light cream. After towel drying, I run a dime-sized amount through my damp hair, blow dry with a paddle brush, and I'm left with a silky frizz-free blowout that lasts until I'm ready to wash my hair again, usually every other day. Since the cream makes it easier to smooth my hair, it shaves a couple of minutes off of my blowout. Just don't use too much. In my experience, that can make hair feel gummy, especially when I tried layering the Frizz Fighter over the leave-in conditioner. But once you get the proportions right, it's smooth hair for days. All right, so I'm going to open her up and let's do the smell and see if it smells like floral. So it has a safety seal on it, which is good. Oh, that does smell good, but it's not filled up all the way. So it's just like a white cream. Let me just take a little bit out since I got it out. All right. And I'm going to put it because right here is where my ends is where I get a lot of like frizz and stuff like that. So that's because I dye my hair a lot. I don't know. We'll see. It does smell good. All right, moving on. The next thing is, what do we have? An eyeliner from Laura Geller, right there. I don't think I've ever tried any. I think the only thing I've ever tried for Laura Geller was an eyeshadow palette and a blush that we got in BoxyCharm. All right, so this is $22. And let's see. All right, so it's just black. Let's see. Is that black or purple? Maybe that's purple. I think it's purple. Yep. It's either blue or purple, but it's very creamy. And you know what? I'm going to put that under my eyes and just to see. I have green under my eyes right now, but let's see. Oh yeah, it definitely shows. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on camera, but I like that. And I like the fact that it's retractable, so you don't have to sharpen it. So that is good. Does this come out? And what's this? I don't know if I was supposed to take that out. What is that? I don't know what that is, but that's what there. That's really, really pretty. I do like that a lot. All right, let's read up on her and see what it says. It says, there are a few boxes that an eyeliner has to check in order to be a favorite of mine. And Laura Geller pencil liners exceed expectations with their super pigmented creamy color and fine soft points. The color can easily be smudged out or left alone for a crisp, precise line. With a sharpener conveniently / brilliantly built into... Okay, so that's a sharpener then. So I guess you do have to sharpen. Okay. Okay, where was I at now? With the sharpener conveniently / brilliantly built into the packaging, why don't pencils have more of this? It's great for throwing in your bag. You'll get a variety of shades in your box. The colors range from soft lilac to deep black, and the waterproof formula makes good on its promise to stay put all day. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't get a black one. So this has to be... So, okay, so then you would just sharpen. All right, well, that's good because I wasn't sure if I broke it or not. All right, so that's exciting. Moving on. All right, so this is phenomenal. All right, so these are tanning sheets, organic tan infused cloth. So if anybody knows Carli, she is always tan, you know. So we have these, and so you get 2 of them. So that's good. And you just take them out and you would put it on your skin, you know, just wipe it on your skin or whatever. All right, so we got that. All right, let's see what that says. All right, so 25 pack for 8, 39 pack for 16. Holy cow. Says a little of me. I self-tan once every 2 weeks, and my boyfriend can always tell the smell, the look, the residue, and he never fails to call me out. That's true, because when I used to go to the tanning bed all the time, you have that smell that you can tell somebody just left the tanning bed. It's like a burnt smell. I can't explain it. And it never fails to call me out, except when I tried the new Vita Libertia tanning cloths. He had no idea. He was skeptical at first. I've never used a self-tanner in cloth form. But this pocket-sized rayon squares are infused with self-tanner that's actually mess-free. 2 were enough to easily cover my entire body, and 4 hours later, I had a very natural and smelling glow. So I'll try this on the weekend. I don't want to try it like during the week and then, you know, it doesn't work. Have I been blurry that whole time? Jesus. All right, so we got that. 2 more things. Yes, this is a Luxie, a blending brush. I love Luxie brushes. All right. Let's see how much this is. So this one is $12, and it's just like a nice small blending brush right there. That I really like Luxie brushes. All right, last but not least is this Anastasia liquid. Oh my God, liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood, right there. All right, what are these? I think they're like $20 maybe. Let's see. All right, so these are $20. So let's see what it looks like. This is supposed to be her favorite nude shade. Oh, that is light. So I'm just going to put that on right on top of my lipstick and see. I do love the Ofra formula. Okay, so it's just a regular doe foot applicator. Oh, that's bright. So I'm not going to put my whole lip. Let's just do right in the middle. That's pretty. That is really, really pretty. Let me do a little swatch for you. And there is the swatch right there. So that's everything. So let's recap what we got. So we got a Luxie brush. All this for $15. I mean, this alone is 20 bucks. And the box is only $15. So we got a liquid lipstick. We got a Luxie brush. There's a few shades of eyeliner you got. And I'm so happy I got that purplish bluish color. I love that a lot. We got a sample size of this Briogeo, like a frizz control heat protectant. We got 2 tanning sheets. And then we got this, you could have got one of 3 shades of the Natasha Denona. And I think that's great because because they're expensive, one of these is $27. So if you can't afford, like a lot of people, I mean, who can really afford $129, really, you know? That's very expensive. And so, I mean, almost $30 for one shade. I know there's a lot of people that can't afford it. So that it's put in this box, I think that's excellent that you get to try. So let me know in the comments down below, what did you think of this month? Do you like it? Do you like Allure? Do you get Allure? I think Allure has really been stepping up their game. I mean, for $15, it's definitely worth it. And I finally got it early this month. Now, a lot of people were telling me to go through Amazon because with Amazon, you can get Allure as well for the same price, $15, and you get it early. Well, I did sign up for the Allure through Amazon last month, but because how Allure works, if you sign up any day during the month, so even if you have until the 31st, you will get the March box. So I already got the March box, but today's what, the 15th, and Amazon hasn't charged me for the box or even sent it out. And I got this actually sooner through the Allure. So let me know down below, do you guys get the Allure box through Amazon? If you do, let me know. Like, do you know when they charge? Do they charge everybody around the same time? Do you usually get it early? I mean, this was pretty early that I got my Allure, because usually it's like the last day of the month that I've been getting mine, so I haven't really posted my Allure unboxings. That's why I went through Amazon, but it's weird. All right, anyway, enough about that. So if you are made it to the end, I want to talk to you about this eyeshadow palette right here. So this is from the brand Alter Ego. Now, they're a brand new brand. This is the only item that they have on their brand. Now, I was sent this for free, but it was a no obligation that I had to make a video or even talk about it. They just wanted me to try their first product and let them know what I thought of it. And I really like it. So this is only $16. $16. This is what the box looks like. And it comes with a mirror, okay? And it looks like the ABH Sultry palette. So pretty. And let me tell you something. Like I said, I'm wearing that today. And I love this palette. Now, I did email them and tell them that I really liked it, because today's not the first day that I have been playing around with it. And they gave me a code for you guys to get 15% off. So you get 15% off of a $16 palette. And when I tell you, honestly, I really like the formula of this eyeshadow palette. It would help if I showed you what the front looks like. And I don't get anything out of it. This is not sponsored. I don't make any money if you use the link and the code. Nothing. I honestly recommend this, and I am so excited for their up-and-coming products. I really am. Alter Ego, thank you so much for sending this to me, and I wish you guys all the best, because I really do like it. I mean, let me just do a couple swatches. All right, I'm going to show you these right here. Okay, so these are the light shimmers. We'll do this one and this one. All right, so here we go. Here's 4 shades here. I mean, they're so pretty, guys. Look at this. Look at them shimmers. Oh, guys, this is only $16. And like I said, I have a code for you guys for 15% off. Now, I'll do a couple mattes. So pretty. Let's do, okay, this dark brown. What else color did I use? I'm going to show you the colors that I used today. Is that it? And I'll swatch a gray. I did not use the gray today, but I'll just see what it is. So there's mattes. I mean, guys, look at that. Look at that. I mean, it's just great. Let's see what the black looks like. Now, I don't really tend to, look at that, really use black. So let's see. Look at that. So pretty. Let's see if it builds up, because that's not like, you know, the black is like, oh yeah, it's definitely buildable. Look at that. I hope that you guys can see this, because like I said, with this black background, I don't know if it's good or bad. So let me know in the comments down below, like, is it working better? What do you think? Like I said, I don't think I would keep this up. I'm just trying to get the focus off of the backdrop. So let me know if it made a difference or if it didn't. But like I said, I really, really like this so much. I am really, really pleased. All right, that's enough. It's almost 20 minutes. I've been talking your ear off. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. What do you think of this palette? Do you think it's a good palette for $16? Let me know. Like I said, I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. And let me know what you think of the Allure box. I am very curious. Do you guys know who Carli Bybel is? Let me know all the tea. Don't forget to let me know how your day was. And as always, guys, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already to get on those giveaways. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.